Hi, second graders. This is for English Language Arts. We're just going to finish off these last 2 days of the school year, just practicing what we've learned about pronouns. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or thing. We've also learned about proper nouns, which is a specific person, place, or thing. Now we're learning about pronouns, and pronouns replace those words like the nouns with words like they, we, her. We even have possessive pronouns. Let's see here, his, yours, ours. So we're going to review all of what we've been learning about pronouns on pages 175 and 176. If you need to, go back to your previous pages to learn plural possessive pronouns. That means more than one person, place, or thing owns something. Remember, to possess something means you own it. We also have singular possessive, which means one person, place, or thing owns something. We also learned about plural pronouns. We and they are plural. You can also be plural, but make sure you pay attention. A sentence like, maybe you all can go on a mission trip too. You all is referring to a group of people. Now, if I said, you can go to the store, I might be referring to one person. Let's see here, pronouns like I and me. These take place, you're talking about yourself here. My family watched me. Now remember, I is if you're a part of the subject. Me is used after the action word or the verb. So for example, I ran a race. The subject is I. Ran, there's the action word, a race. So I is before the action word. If I said my family, that's the subject, watched me at a soccer game. So watched is the action word there. And what is my family doing? They're watching me. So you can see how I and me are used correctly. Go back to those pages if you need to review. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. So Beth hits the ball. I could also say she hits the ball. So we're going to do all of that review on pages 175 and 176. Second graders, please make sure you read the directions. If you don't read the directions, then you're not doing the assignment correctly. For example, up by 1, 2, and 3, write the pronoun that replaces the underlined word. I'm not asking you to write the underlined word in the space provided. You need to choose the correct pronoun to replace that underlined word. I had a couple of students who wrote the underlined part in the blank. Please don't do that. Correct it if you need to. So for number 1, Kyle ran into the house. Would I use he, she, or it? If you said it, you're correct. Go ahead and pat yourself on the back. All right. For 4, 5, and 6, it says draw a vertical line, which is a line that goes straight up and down, between the subject part and the action part. Then you need to write I or me to complete the sentence in those blanks that are provided. So number 4, blank put an apple on Kelly's desk. Me put an apple on Kelly's desk. Does that sound right? Nope, doesn't. Let's try another one. I put an apple on Kelly's desk. That sounds much better. All right, so you're gonna write I in that space. Now, what is the subject? What did I do? I put an apple on Kelly's desk. So put an apple would be the action part of that sentence. So we need to write a vertical line between I and put. Let's try another one. Number 5. Kelly thanked me for the apple. That sounds pretty good. Let's try it the other way. Kelly thanked I for the apple. Nope. Definitely got to use me in there. So Kelly is the subject. What did Kelly do? Thanked me. All right. So we're going to draw a line between Kelly and thanked because Kelly is the subject and the action word is she's thanking me. All right. So I want you to go ahead and try the other one. For 7 and 8, you need to mark the correct sentence. Which sentence uses it correctly? On page 76 for tomorrow, for 9, 10, 11, and 12, you are going to look at the underlined part of the sentence. In the blank, you're going to use the correct pronoun. Is it going to be we or they? Those are going to be your two options for those sentences right there. Numbers 13 to 16, underline the possessive pronoun. You're going to read the sentence and then underline the possessive. I show ownership or they show ownership of an object. You have a box there to help you out. It says possessive pronouns. We have my, your, his, her, and its. So go ahead and look at those sentences and see what you can find. Underline the correct possessive pronoun. At the very bottom, you're going to circle the pronoun that replaces the underlined word. So you want to read the sentence and then see which one would be the best pronoun, the possessive pronoun, to replace the underlined part of that sentence. All right, guys, have a great day. I hope you enjoy your second to the last day of school, if you can believe it. All right, we'll see you later.